This episode of Night Photography begins in the early morning hours before sunrise at the entrance of the Museum of the Future. The sculpture in front of the museum is the three-fingered salute, which symbolizes win, victory, and love. You will often see these symbols even on the Burj Khalifa. We were very fortunate because our guide lives here in Dubai, so he would arrange times and schedules where there were no crowds. This completes the night portion of our journey, because later on, as we go through all 5 floors, you will get to see the uppermost view of the financial district. The symbols that you see in the ceiling above are actually Arabic calligraphy of a poem. That poem was written by Emirati artist Martar bin Lehi. There are 7 floors in this museum, and fortunately we have elevators to take us to most of them, but only 5 are open for viewing. Like many museums, each floor has its own unique name. So we're going to start on the first floor, called Future Heroes. Of course, electric vehicles are a big part of the future, both in the air and on the ground. Transportation in the future in electric vehicles will look significantly different. The second floor is called Tomorrow, which highlights cutting-edge technology and innovation. There are devices here you will have seen advertised and may even have in your own home. Some of these devices actually end up in international competition to see who is the best.
Fantastic shot from Team USA.
The third floor is called Waha, W-A-H-A, which is translated to mean Oasis. So try and stay focused on the ground. These wall-to-ceiling displays of nature in a rainforest are stunning. The fourth floor is Heal, which highlights biodiversity in the future. It also wants to emphasize renewing life here on Earth. This entire floor is filled with a panoramic display of the human DNA, wall to wall. The smaller samples that look like tumblers are individual chromosomes, represented a visual depiction of what it would look like in real life. Hundreds of these examples are displayed all over the floor, from crabs, sharks, chimps, human, and so on. The fifth floor is the home of an orbital space station, which is not to be confused with the current ISS, the International Space Station of today. The orbital space station, of course, would be orbiting Earth to start with, then in the future, maybe even other planets. The orbiting space station of the future is a circular design, rotating to allow for human occupation with gravity. Exiting the fifth floor, we're now standing outside at the middle of the circle of the torus. We are in the financial district, which you can see has lots of activity. Our timing is just about perfect, just in time for the morning sunrise, looking through some of the tallest buildings in Dubai. Thank you for letting us take you on a journey through all 5 floors of the Museum of the Future. I hope you know what the future might look like.